This is the secret setup to viral motorcycle videos. When I very first started my YouTube channel filming my rides back in 2019, I did pretty much everything wrong. I missed so many shots. I didn't realize that the camera needed to be in a specific wide angle view versus a narrow view. And it was really frustrating and disheartening when I got back home, uploaded my footage, and realized that I completely missed a magical moment and I would never be able to relive that. Another issue, and this is a big one when it comes to safety, trying to film your rides and tell a good story is actually incredibly dangerous. I've had a couple close calls because I was really more focused on my camera setup than I was paying attention to the road. I'll admit it, I'm not perfect. After a few years of losing all of my footage or not having the camera facing the proper way, or just being so distracted by trying to set up my camera gear instead of enjoying my motorcycle ride, I finally made this permanent switch that I have not deviated from in over 4 years. The setup I'm going to show you in this video has completely changed how I personally film all of my motorcycle rides. For the past couple years, I've personally been using this Insta360 setup for every single motorcycle trip. The 360 camera captures everything around me and I never miss an opportunity to film, and the Ace Pro 2 captures the POV action shots straight from my helmet and make it a bit more immersive when I'm traveling. And if you guys don't actually care about how I personally use these cameras and you just want to go save some money, Insta360 is actually running their biggest sale since Black Friday this spring, ending March 31st, 2026. If you guys want to go save some money, or if you use the link down in my description, you can get a free motorcycle bundle kit with your purchase. I highly recommend you go checking it out. These are the times of years that I always end up actually upgrading my kits and getting things on sale, like the replaceable lens for the 360 camera, which is massive. As I mentioned, March 31st, that's the end of this, so hurry up, click the link down in the description, see if you can get yourself some freebies and save serious money. Do not buy this at full price if you don't have to, but you should go check them out. As I mentioned in the beginning of this video, the issues that I constantly found myself having was I was filming with cameras that could not do more than their field of view. When you're riding motorcycles, you know you're passing things at a fast pace, you're missing opportunities. Let's say an animal jumps out in front of you and you wanted to capture that, or you just passed through a new state line that you've never been to and you really wanted to document the moment. That is where this Insta360 X5 comes into play. This is a 360 camera that has 2 lenses, so no matter where you put it on your motorcycle, it is filming in a 360-degree bubble around you. My personal favorite thing about this camera is you can mount this pretty much anywhere on your motorcycle if you have a secure mounting point. Please ensure you have a secure mounting point or they will fall off your bike. I've done it many times, but luckily Insta360 offers a ton of accessories that make sure you can securely mount this to your bike. It also has a quick detach magnetic mounting system. So if you want to quickly take it off your motorcycle, you can. I highly recommend getting the quick detach system. You have more secure options like this hard mount system. This will attach to bars. It's adjustable. I highly encourage you checking out their mounting systems because what's the point of filming incredible footage if you can't securely attach it to your bike? They also have the world famous invisible selfie stick where you attach this to your bike and extend it out nice and far so it looks like you have your own personal camera crew with you. I film everything by myself, and having this camera and this tool makes it incredibly easy for me to document my rides and look like I have a full professional crew with me. My favorite thing about filming with a 360 camera is that you literally don't have to think about what you're shooting. You simply press record and it films everything around you. So you can decide later what you want to focus on and what you want your story to be. My personal favorite thing that I do with this camera is if I want to show you what I'm looking at in a video, I will make a visual cue and I'll point, and then later in editing I can add keyframes in and turn the camera angle anywhere I want to so that I can show you, the viewer, what I'm talking about in that moment. It's a really powerful tool for storytelling, but it's also incredibly easy and makes riding a lot safer because I don't have to worry about turning the camera. My personal favorite uses is when I'm on really fun twisty roads or beautiful scenic overlooks, and always when I'm riding through really cute and unique small towns. I always have this camera on me. And the best part is I actually get to go back and relive those moments later on once I edit all of my YouTube videos. All right, let's say you can only buy one of these cameras with this spring sale. Which one do I recommend? I recommend the Insta360 X5. This Ace Pro 2 is an incredibly powerful camera. I personally think the quality of this camera is better than this one, but what this camera can do in post-production is unparalleled with any other product on the market right now. So I'm telling you right now, if you only have budget for one camera, go check this out. Go check out the X5. So some benefits of this camera other than just filming in 360 degrees, because it has two lenses that films everything, it can film up to 8K. I highly recommend always filming in 8K because that means each camera is capturing 4K resolution. The quality is incredible and makes for some stunning scenery. If you do a lot of nighttime riding or dusk and dawn riding, this camera has a very powerful low light sensor. Back when I started my YouTube channel, I would completely turn the cameras off as soon as the sun would set because you could not see anything. With this camera, it makes going to events that happen at nighttime with just a little bit of light so much more enjoyable to document. The stabilization of this camera is also incredibly important. As you guys know, I like to ride Harley Davidsons, and so this thing will be rattling and rocking and rolling, but my footage always looks nice and smooth. Sometimes if the selfie stick is extended a little too far, you can get a bounce in it, but I honestly think that adds to the excitement. And then hands down, the most powerful and the number one reason I encourage you to purchase this camera specifically, they have replaceable lenses. These lenses protrude out, as you can see, so they're very easy to get scratched or dinged up. You can also purchase lens covers. I personally don't use them now that these replacement kits are available, because if you have a cover, it does slightly degrade the quality, and not so much degrades quality, it refracts the sunlight a bit more. So I notice it a bit more. For a lot of people, they're gonna wanna protect their lenses, and I love that Insta360 has so many accessories that allow you to do that. But now that I can easily just buy a lens replacement kit and pop it on and change my lenses, I don't use any covers for this anymore. So this right here, Insta360 is the only camera maker on the market that allows replaceable lenses for a 360 camera, and this is the number one reason I will always continue to purchase an upgraded camera. Now, if you guys want to look at the X4 or the X3 versions of this camera, do it. You know, I'm not going to tell you what to do. I'm just trying to give you the best bang for your buck. The X4 still has incredible high quality filming. It films up to 8K, and the low light settings are significantly improved compared to the X3, but you cannot replace the lenses on the X4. And then the X3, if you guys want to film like a dash cam setup where you can film everything around you, that's the one I recommend because you're not so worried about high quality zooming in. It doesn't film up to 8K, and I really just think you probably should be saving your money or not wasting your money on the previous version when this one is just so much more camera. Again, go over to their spring sale, see what the savings are, and if it's working for you, get what you can get. I'm not here to tell you what to do. I'm just here to tell you what I would do. And I would always buy this one, always. This is my second one. But if there's anything I can say that would convince you to check this camera out, this is the camera where I just don't have to worry about getting the shot. I can enjoy the ride, and I know that I'm capturing the beauty around me. Now, this is the camera that actually completes my full setup. As I mentioned, I have my Insta360 camera, and that captures everything around me. But when I still want to get those intense POV riding shots behind bars, all of the excitement and the adventure, this is the camera that I use. The Ace Pro 2 is an incredibly powerful, high-quality action camera, and you can also use it when you vlog because it has a little flip-up screen here. So I use this all the time. It's quick detach. Also, it has a magnetic clamp on here, and I also use it as a vertical or horizontal mount. I have this little L bracket attached to it, which makes it really nice when I want to put it in my van or on my motorcycle, or if I just want to walk around and vlog with it in vertical. Now, I will say the thing about these two cameras, obviously 360, regular action camera. If you want to film vertical videos for reels, shorts, Instagram, stuff like that, you have to make sure you have this little bracket on here. If you can see, there's like a little bracket, and you can mount it vertically or horizontally. But you have to choose that before you press record. Otherwise, you're gonna have to crop in. With the Insta360, it's so easy. You literally just reframe it later on. You can film in horizontal, vertical, whatever you want to do. That's why I always say this is the most powerful camera. The quality's better with this one, you can do so much more with this one. This camera also comes with incredible low light performance. So if you are riding in the pitch black and you just want to film the road illuminated by your motorcycle headlights, this camera is going to tell an amazing story, and it's really going to show the depth of what you are experiencing through your eyes. With this Leica lens, I use this all the time to take screenshots for thumbnails for my YouTube videos, or I'll just use screenshots as photos for my social media on what I capture with this camera. So sometimes I don't even use an actual camera or my cell phone to take pictures. The camera quality in this is so high quality that I just take a screenshot of my screen. So that's also really powerful if you're trying to make content, if you're just trying to film your rides and enjoy good videos later on for your own personal uses. This is such a powerful tool. And then it does film in linear, wide, ultra, if you want all of these different field of views, you can do that. I actually upgraded to an extra wide lens. It's in this little thingy here because I'm terrified I'm gonna scratch it. As you can see, this lens does protrude out quite a lot compared to the actual camera. You can see the lens here is flat. I'm trying to show you guys. This is not flat. This is kind of like a fisheye lens, similar to what you see on the Insta360. This just snaps on to the camera and you have yourself a really wide fisheye lens. I personally love using this because then I don't have to worry about how far I twist my head when it's on my helmet to capture what I'm looking at, but it does have a slight lens warp on the edge of your footage. So just note that, but if you want to film wider POV shots, they do offer a wide lens for the Ace Pro 2. Like I'm saying, even if you don't purchase a camera with this spring sale, please go check out the accessories. I've already purchased extra replacement lens kits for my X5. I personally put my camera on my helmet with a clamp here, so it's easy for me to be able to just like clamp this on really fast. I don't have to wire up anything and it still stays waterproof. But similar to the X5, the 360, this has a magnetic quick attachment for my helmet. So even though I can open this up and take it off of my helmet quickly, if I want to be able to just easily take this off of my helmet, I can do that as well. And then with this little L bracket, as I mentioned, I can film in vertical or horizontal. So the magnetic quick release has completely changed my life when it comes to capturing and filming and being able to take my cameras off and on my motorcycle and my helmet very quickly. Time is of the essence. And since I can quickly take it off of my helmet, I can use it for quick vlog settings if I want to, film myself, what I'm eating, what I'm doing, or if I want to take B-roll. So that's just footage of, my motorcycle or anything else where it doesn't have to be attached to my helmet. This is a very powerful camera. I highly, highly recommend. If you can, especially with this sale, get both. You are never going to need any other cameras other than a 360 camera and an action camera. I understand that's a lot of money. I do this for a living, so I have spent quite a bit of money on upgrading my camera systems. This is the system I would never upgrade from, unless the cameras get exponentially better and this films in VR or something. But these cameras are the most powerful cameras on the market right now, and they are my favorite. I use them every single time I travel. Some personal accessories I recommend for you guys. Number one, the lens replacement kit. Don't make me say it again. Insta360 also came out with their microphone. It's in this really cute little carrying case. So this is a microphone you can use. You can actually plug this into like your cell phone or something, but you can also plug it into the camera ports and have a little lav mic connected to you so you can film good audio. The audio on this is amazing. If you can see here, this is actually a mic and it has great wind deflection and great audio quality. Let me just go ahead and show this to you right now. So this is the setup. And this is the audio quality straight out of camera. I'm not using an external mic at all. This is just what it sounds like. If you are in a windy condition, this camera actually comes with AI software that helps reduce wind noise, and it only focuses on your voice or motorcycle exhaust. Very powerful tool. I absolutely love it. That's it. Some other really powerful accessories I recommend are these ND filters. So for the Ace Pro 2, you can get this complete set. It's a full kit of ND filters. And then for the Insta360 X5, you can get these ND filters for your lenses. Now, ND stands for neutral density. And what that means is if you're riding through an incredibly harsh light situation, Oftentimes, if you're filming in auto white balance, which is what I do because I'm very lazy, I don't do a whole lot of editing and post-production, it can be overexposed. So these ND filters help kind of neutralize the density of light and shadow. I didn't really need to explain that to you guys, but that's what these are. They're very powerful. These cameras actually do such a good job filming that I don't even use these. These are brand new in the box because I just film with the settings straight out of camera. Some people really like to go into heavy editing and post-production. I don't. I like to just tell fun stories and film cute dogs. Like I mentioned, you can get these adjustable quick detach mounting systems. So if you have handlebars, if you have engine guards, if you have luggage racks, these are the systems that I personally use on my motorcycle. This one is very strong, very secure. As you can see, it's not as weeble wobbly as this one is. So this has multiple ball mounts. This might not even be Insta360 branded. I think the Insta360 branded one is actually still on my motorcycle, so whoops. But it's the same thing. It has multiple joints here where you can easily move it around. Check those out. I love being able to quickly take them off and on and move them to different parts of my motorcycle to get interesting POVs. And then again, if you guys order with the link down below, you will get a free motorcycle kit, which comes with an invisible selfie stick. This is what actually changed the game in motorcycle riding. This is what people are getting, those really cool drone shots, those really cool like follow shots. I use that when I'm hiking, when I'm on and off the motorcycle. It is hands down the most powerful tool, especially if you live in the United States and drone laws are getting a bit unpredictable. So having that invisible selfie stick and getting that really far third person POV is super powerful for storytelling and really adds depth and interest to your videos. I ran through this video pretty fast. There was a lot of B-roll and examples. If you guys have any other questions, please leave a comment down below. I really like to get these videos up in early spring and around the holidays so you can save some money because people are getting back on their motorcycles. They're planning all their summer trips, as I am as well. And it's just an easy way to save some cash, get your gear set up, and give you enough time to actually go through some trial and errors. Like I mentioned, every year I still manage to forget to like connect a microphone, or I do something wrong and then I go back in post-production and I'm like, where is that? What did I do? So definitely hurry up before March 31st, save yourself some money and give yourself some time to experience and pretend different scenarios. I don't know. Set it up on your bike, make sure it's solid, and have so much fun. If you're doing this for YouTube or personal family reasons or Instagram, these cameras can literally do everything, and I highly, highly recommend them. I have been filming with Insta360 since 2021. And when I say that this is hands down the most powerful camera on the market, I'm being so serious. There's a reason I keep filming with this. Thank you, Insta360, for continuing to partner with me and believe in me and trust me with my storytelling and my editing, because I literally could not make my videos without your product. 100%, even though we are being sponsored to make this video, you guys, I could not make my videos without these products. So thank you so much, Insta360. I'm really excited to see the products you continue producing in the future because I absolutely love them. So thank you guys so much for watching, and until the next one, as always, you be good, ride motorcycles, and I'll catch you later.